Alright, happy Halloween, folks. Happy Halloween. Hey, it's me, Jill Madcat, aka Eric. How you doing? Got my Ohio State hat on, and then I got my Tennessee shirt on. I ain't gonna say anything else about that. But it's a good morning here. Good morning, Halloween morning to y'all. Got Poppy and Molly in the backyard walking around. And I'm walking outside here. It's nice, about 55, 60 degrees. Feels good out here. Week 6 update on Optivia. Journey to better health. You do not believe it. You do not believe it. I broke the barrier. Let's take a little look. Hold on. Y'all ready for this? Bam! 297.6. 297.6. I broke the barrier. I've been under 300 pounds in a long time. Good 20 years, I guess. Thanks for watching. It's a great day. Happy Halloween. Y'all have a good one. Got my peppermint bark coffee with the dark rich chocolate shake. It's good stuff. Yo. Go Poppy, go. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go.